Once there was a young girl called Maggie, and one day her family moved to a new town. The first thing Maggie did was open her toy box to find her favorite sock, a sock puppet called Socky.
There's a puppet in you. There's a puppet in me. There's a puppet in all of us. Can't you see? There's a puppet in me. There's a puppet in you. Playing with puppets is a thing to do.
Maggie didn't know what her one to tell. She was playing down, and one day there were some kids playing down the streets.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's some kids. Let's go play with them. Oh, I don't know, Socky. I'm a bit too shy to go over there. Oh, you can just say hi. Meeting new people is a bit too hard for me, Socky, so I might just hide down here, but you go ahead and say hi.
I wonder if anyone's moved into that house yet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hey there.
Ah!
Hello?
Is someone there?
Yes. Hello.
Oh, hi. Well, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Socky. Sorry about that. You gave me a bit of a fright.
Us too. Hi, Socky. You're new here, aren't you?
Yep, I just moved into our new house.
Oh, well, hi. I'm Amy. This is Harriet and Alex.
Hey.
Oh, nice to meet you. Hey, would you like to hear a joke?
Yeah,
Yes, please.
Sure thing. No worries.
What do cows listen to? I'll give you a bit of a clue. It starts with moo.
Well, I don't know. What do cows listen to?
Music.
Hey, that's funny.
Hey, Socky, can we come and play again with you tomorrow?
Oh, you sure can. I'll see you then.
Yes.
Oh, bye.
Next day, Harry and Mamie Harriet's visits.
Hey, I hope Socky's here again today. I know. He's so cool and funny.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone.
Hi,
Hi,
Socky.
So I was thinking of something fun to do, and thing bing, how would you like to hear a song?
Yeah.
Yes,
cool.
love
Please.
to.
Great.
Cool.
There's a puppet in you. There's a puppet in me. There's a puppet in all of us. Can't you see? There's a puppet in me. There's a puppet in you. Playing with puppets is a thing to do.
Gee, great song, Socky. Gee,
Aw.
thanks. Socky, you're a blast.
Really? You think so?
Ah, you gave us a scare, but hi.
Hi.
Who are you? Are you friends with Socky?
I guess you could say that. I'm Maggie, and this is my puppet, Socky. Hello.
Oh, hey. Well, you were so good at Socky talk. We thought Socky was real.
Yeah.
You did.
We sure did.
I wish I could be a puppeteer like you.
You do? Hey, I can teach you if you like.
Great.
Ooh, love that. Yes, please.
So Maggie taught Harriet, Alex and Amy how to make a puppet.
Oh, that's a great puppet, Alex. What are you going to call him?
Well, his name is Ruffles. Hello, Maggie.
Hi, Ruffles.
Mine's name is Twinkles. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Twinkles.
I think my one's name is... Oh, ready? Rumpy Dumpy Dumpy Doo.
Hey, let's put on a show.
Yeah.
So that afternoon, the new friends put on a puppet show together.
There's a puppet in you. There's a puppet in me. There's a puppet in all of us. Can't you see? There's a puppet in me. There's a puppet in you. Playing with puppets is a thing to do.
Amy, Amy and Harry are best of friends and puppet show every weekend.
Come on, guys.
Guys, we got another show to put on.